Good day everyone. Today we are going to install Ubuntu Linux in VirtualBox. So, what is the use of VirtualBox or what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox basically is a free and open source virtualization software developed by Oracle that let you run multiple operating systems on a single computer at the same time. So, like for example, now we're using Windows and we are trying to explore Linux or anything or specifically Ubuntu Linux. So you can install another OS such as Windows, Linux, or Mac OS inside a virtual machine without needing to replace your main OS.
So today, we're gonna show you how to download the VirtualBox. So you just open Google and then search the virtual VirtualBox. And click enter. And then, as you can see, the first one, the virtualbox.org is the official site, the VirtualBox. So just click it and click download. So after that,
So the next one is the important to download is the Ubuntu Linux. So first things first, we're gonna search the Ubuntu Linux ISO and click this one, download Ubuntu desktop and click download.
So after downloading all the necessary file or machine, so we don't need to download it twice because we already downloaded this one. So first we're gonna open the VirtualBox machine. This is the Oracle VirtualBox, as you can see, and we do have ISO file downloaded. And open your VirtualBox machine. So here, this is the VirtualBox machine, and click new button, and then you can customize your VirtualBox machine name, like for example Ubuntu. And in this ISO image, you go to the path of where you can find your ISO here, and open this one, and there's no need to change this install guest edition, and you can create your username, like for example Michael, and yeah, here. So the best thing to do here in the base memory is the green one is the recommended max. So we go in there, and for the number of CPU we already have I think 3 is enough for that one. And yeah, that's all. You can click the finish one. So yeah, after all, this is the powering VM loading. So we just wait a few minutes to open this VirtualBox, I mean Ubuntu Linux. Yes, so as you can see, there is just click enter and just wait for a few minutes to load the Ubuntu Linux operating system. So as you can see, there is a Genome desktop for Ubuntu Linux, and just preparing for Ubuntu for customization. Just wait for a second because it might be so after preparing the Ubuntu OS, so this is Ubuntu Genome looks like. So we will teach you the terminal or the basics of code, just like for example sudo apt update, so that your system will update, and of course the yes, that's the reading the packages last, and yes, your package is update, and you must add this apt install build essential dkms linux headers, and you name and R, just like that. So yes, yeah, and that's all. That's the basic of I mean, kita ko na. Wala. So that is the basic command line in Ubuntu.
Our video, but so this is the built-in applications such as Firefox, sa nakita ko kanina, and then Thunderbird Mail files, the App Center which you can download sa built-in programs that built by the Ubuntu, or yeah, mga na to siya. As you can see, no, if try na itong lantaw, if makita ba. So muna yung mga featured apps. So mostly sa mga featured apps ito makita dyan is kini ang mga development. So kini development is usually na ada mga PyCharm for Python, and also the VS Code. And the games is limited lang ang games, but supported siya sa STEM. So we know STEM that.
And for Ubuntu, and is great for programming, security, and productivity. But when it comes to gaming, man god, kay there are still some limitation compared to Windows. Like for example, kanang limited game availability. Like some games don't have native Linux or Ubuntu version, so you need to use tools like Steam Proton or Lotris. The second one is the driver compatibility, like NVIDIA and AMD graphics drivers can be tricky kay murag maglibog ang or malibog ang kanang OS. And for the software or tool compatibility, there are popular gaming launchers like Epic Game, Battle.net, EA App, and don't officially support Linux. Yes, and you can use these tools like Wine, Proton, or Battles, but they may have bugs or limited functionality because of this one. And for their peripheral and software support, there are some gaming peripherals like controllers, RGB keyboards, or others, and have limited Linux software for customization. And that's what but in some case there's also is advantages of the Ubuntu Linux. The number one is free, lightweight, and secure. And Stream Photons, just like built-in tools, has made thousands of Windows games playable on Linux. So works great for indie games, emulators, and open source games. Just like for example, we can search here in Facebook. You can directly open Facebook here. I think that's all for
So, na to ang pag-install, ang setup, the virtual machine for the virtual box. And also siguro if you don't have low-end devices kanang mag-error siya because Ubuntu OS is a light OS, but some cases that in some virtual boxes like sa mga low-end devices or low-end computer is nicer mag-cause error, but kuan siya ba light OS, but ang ako lang ang I think is the other way is to install it on the kuan na siya in the main OS. So kini is other way to install OS within the another OS, which is the VirtualBox. That's it. This is the VirtualBox.
Yes. Right.